In this video, I'm comparing the Legion Go to some of the other handheld devices I frequently use, including the Nintendo Switch. I've been using the Legion Go for about a month now, and while I've covered it in previous videos, I realized I hadn't done a direct comparison yet. So today, I'm diving deep into the differences in size, features, performance, and overall user experience. Display Switch, 7-inch OLED screen, 720p, with vibrant colors. Legion Go, larger 8.8-inch LCD screen with a higher refresh rate, 144 Hz, but lacks the OLED's color richness. Kickstand and controllers. Both devices have kickstands, but the Switch's is more refined and feels sturdier. Switch's Joy-Cons slide on and off with a satisfying click, while the Legion Go's controllers detach with a button mechanism. Portability. Switch is significantly lighter, 421g, and more compact compared to the Legion Go. Battery life. Switch, up to 6 hours. Legion Go, around 2 to 3 hours, depending on settings. Nintendo Switch, lightweight, affordable, and perfect for Nintendo exclusives. Legion Go, the powerhouse for gamers who need maximum versatility and performance in a handheld device. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews. Thanks for watching.